December 6, 2022. Phoenix, Arizona. Joe Biden announces the most advanced semiconductor manufacturing is coming to America. The company behind it is not Intel, not Samsung. It is from Taiwan, TSMC. 90% of the world's most advanced chips are made by this one company. The chips that train AI, run every iPhone, power F-35 fighter jets on one island. In factories that would take $300 billion and 30 years to replicate. Here is what nobody remembers. In 1986, when Morris Chang tried to raise money to start his company, every wealthy family in Taiwan said no. Every single one. They said the idea was insane. They said the man was 55 and should retire. Morris Chang was not supposed to be in Taiwan. Born in Ningbo, 1931, Harvard, MIT, Stanford, PhD, 25 years at Texas Instruments. First Chinese-American VP at a major American chip company. One of the most important people in semiconductors that nobody had heard of. Then, TI moved him sideways, pushed into a role with no future. The message was clear: you're done, retire. He was 54. His career was supposed to be over. Instead, the Taiwanese government made him an offer. Help us build a semiconductor industry from nothing. Taiwan was not a tech powerhouse, cheap labor, basic goods, but Morris Chang saw something nobody else saw. In 1986, every chip company followed one model: design, build, sell, Intel, AMD, everyone. Morris Chang asked a question so simple, it sounded stupid. What if one company only manufactured chips and never designed one? AMD's legendary CEO Jerry Sanders declared, "Real men have fabs. If you do not own your factory, you are not real." Morris Chang's idea was humiliating. He pitched it to every wealthy family in Taiwan. Every single one said no. The money came from the government, Philips, and a few friends. February 21, 1987, TSMC was born, a company the richest people in Taiwan believed would fail. Design companies asked, why trust our most valuable designs to a factory that might steal them? Morris Chang made an iron rule. TSMC would never design a chip, not one ever. This unlocked the entire fabless industry: Qualcomm, Broadcom, NVIDIA. If you had a cheap idea, you needed a TSMC, not a billion-dollar factory. And because every customer competed to get their chips made, TSMC learned faster than anyone. Morris Chang had accidentally invented the world's most powerful learning machine. Then Apple called. In 2007, Apple needed a chip for the iPhone. Before this, Apple used the Samsung. But Apple did not want to share designs with a competitor. They called TSMC. They had never done consumer electronics at this scale. They said yes. That decision turned TSMC from a niche foundry into the most important technology company on earth. Apple became its largest customer. Every iPhone since 2014 has an Apple-designed TSMC-built chip inside the company. The richest families rejected was now powering the most successful product in history. Today, TSMC makes the chips that train every major AI model. NVIDIA designs, TSMC builds. No TSMC, no ChatGPT, no AI. The company is worth over $1 trillion, more than Intel, AMD, and Qualcomm combined. On one island, there is a question every person told they are too old, too late, or too wrong has to answer. Morris Chang answered it at 55. He lived to see TSMC become indispensable to the world. This is Latent. Subscribe for more deep dives.